Typically, when you receive an invoice from a store, a boarding pass, or shipment from Amazon or eBay, you will find your account details, address, and a barcode. This barcode contains your information. In the previous video, I explained how to print this barcode using an RTF template. In this video, I will show you how to print a barcode using a report template and how to fix the PDF file to accept or to contains or to include the barcode. The steps for printing a barcode in BI Publisher using Report Builder. Step number 1, develop the data model. Step number 2, download the barcode font. Step number 3, install the barcode font by copying it to Windows/font or wherever you installed the Windows. Step number 4, install the barcode font by copying it to BI server. My BI server is installed in OPT/OS, Oracle middleware, Oracle Home, Oracle Common internal fonts. You need to copy the font to this path. And step number 5 is modify the xdo.cfg file on domain home/config/fmwconfig/bi publisher/admin/configuration by adding font family equal 3 of 9 barcode, style normal, weight equal normal. You will find the same template, by the way, in this file. Only copy paste the template and change the name of the font and the font extension file. Now I will already implemented the first 3 steps. I will show you again what I did in the previous video. I have this SQL statement that return the customer information and product information. And as I mentioned before, this barcode contains the I will change this column to barcode. After that, I went to BI Publisher and create the data model by using this SQL statement. Invoices report, invoices data model, edit. I put the SQL statement here and I click here view as sample 200 rows. In order to create the report by using report builder, the important step is click here save as sample data. And I went to internet and I searched for the font type 3 of 9 barcode in this website wfont.com, and I downloaded this file. After that, I went to my Windows downloads. I uncompress this file and I got this font type. I copy this font and went to C drive, Windows, then fonts, and I paste this font here. So the first 3 steps already done. Now the step number 4, install the barcode font by copying it to the server. I will copy this path. My BI Publisher server installed in Linux machine. I will log into the file from here. My server OS. So the fonts installed in this path. I will go to the font type that I just downloaded from here and drag and drop this file 3 of 9 underscore new to this path. The file is downloaded. The extension is TTF. The next step is modify XDO file. Okay. First of all, I will log into the my domain home, PWD. This my domain. I will paste it here. After that, after domain slash config mdf config, I will paste it here. Enter. Or you can simply locate search of this file xdo.cfg. Okay, I have 4 files in my server. The file located in this path. I will leave this path in the presentation. Now, I recommend you to take copy of this file before starting the modification of this file. So you can take copy from this file to your machine. This file xdo.cfg. Now I took copy of this file in my machine. Double click now xdo.cfg. Now take copy from here and paste it here. Okay. Now you need to change this name to be similar to the one that in the Windows. Go to Windows, Windows, font, rename. You cannot rename. Anyway, no problem. I will take copy from here. The name is 3 of 9 barcode. Paste it here. And the file, which is similar to the file that I downloaded. Go to downloads. Take this copy and paste it here. Don't forget the extension, which is TTF, and then now click save. Yes, do you want to replace the remote file on my server with the new one? Yes. Okay, now the file is updated in the server. You can simply close the file, close this one, open again to make sure that it's updated. Okay. Now, the next step is create your templates. Go back here and click now create reports. By using report builder, yes, guide me. Next. I will select landscape table. I will select customer ID, customer name, address, product ID, product name, and the last column is product code. Next, view reports. I will store invoice reports 2. Save. Okay, the next step is changing this column to barcode. So go to setting, edit layout. Click on this column. Make sure you click this column. You will find the blue border in this column, and from font, change the font to 3 of 9 barcode. By default, BI Publisher contains this barcode, default PC 3 of 9, but this will not work. Select this type of font, 3 of 9 barcode, which is I have just installed to my server. Click. You make sure that the font change to 3 of 9 barcode. Click save. Now click OK to view the reports. In the interactive mode, it will return a number. Now change it to, for example, HTML. sorry, XLS. It contains barcodes now. If I change it to PDF, after modifying or copying the file to the BI server, now the PDF will work fine. Even if I go to the previous file that I explained in creating RTF template, it will work fine now. Invoice, not invoice data model, invoice, invoice reports, this one, open. If you click PDF, now the column is changed to barcode. I hope you found the video interesting. Thank you for watching.